Unleash the power of innovation. At MrTech, passion fuels our machines. Genius designs and functional solutions lead the way. Unique products to spark your next big idea. Let's craft the extraordinary together. This wood splitter on a stand isn't just a tool, it's a powerhouse of precision and efficiency. With its rack bar mechanism, it generates unmatched pushing force, making wood splitting not only easy, but almost effortless. Once you see it in action, you'll wonder how you ever manage without it. The setup integrates a live deck, a repurposed hay conveyor, and a split fire splitter to form a seamless system. Each component maximizes output, ensuring steady operation with minimal downtime. This configuration represents a well-thought-out, efficient solution for processing firewood at scale. This machine is a game changer. The homemade vertical wood splitter operates so smoothly, you'd think it was factory made. Its quiet yet powerful performance makes splitting firewood for the family feel effortless and satisfying. This firewood splitter, powered by a precise gearbox mechanism, ensures a smooth, effortless split every time. Its intuitive design minimizes user strain, while the robust performance guarantees fast results. Whether you're splitting small or large logs, this tool combines simplicity with high efficiency. Ever thought you could build a wood splitter with minimal cost? It's not just a dream. With a winch, some bolts, and a little elbow grease, you can create a machine that works wonders. No need to break the bank, just smart work. Imagine the power you can harness with simple tools at your disposal. Remember the old days of splitting wood by hand? That was hard work. But now with the cone-shaped wood splitter attached to a Kubota B1220 tractor, it's like a trip down memory lane, but with way less effort. The process is faster, cleaner, and feels like you're working smarter, not harder. This firewood splitter is certainly a mechanical marvel. Its operation is both comical and efficient, as the logs leap away with each strike, demonstrating the sheer power packed into the system. While it may seem chaotic, the design speaks to an innovative approach, and the craftsmanship is admirable. Congratulations on a well-engineered machine.
Again. лютого 2024 рік.
After 5 years of reliable service, this mechanical wood chipper continues to deliver outstanding performance. With minimal upkeep, just consistent oiling, it cuts through wood with the same sharpness and efficiency as it did when it was first used.
Такий апарат.
It's the kind of long-lasting machine every professional can appreciate.
Вал той зубчатий. Ну, діло в тому, що грішимо там. А це зробили новий вал, поставили, опустили ремішок. І отак. Все таке жилове.
As a professional in wood processing, I can say that a handheld circular saw powered by a tractor offers exceptional precision and power. The steady engine ensures smooth cuts, while the sharp blade makes short work of even the most stubborn logs. Efficiency and durability are guaranteed. At first glance, it's just another wood chipper. But look closer. With a 4.5 kilowatt motor spinning at 3,000 revolutions per minute, this custom-built machine transforms into a powerhouse, effortlessly chewing through logs and branches. It's the kind of tool you never knew you needed until you try it. The mechanism behind this wood splitter is a triumph of engineering, designed to maximize efficiency. But here's the pro's tip. Reshaping the blade into a cross configuration dramatically improves performance. It increases the splitting speed by 4 times, making the process smoother and more powerful than ever before. With cutting-edge design, this custom-built firewood processor handles large volumes of wood with precision. The enormous saw blade makes quick work of logs, which are then split and conveyed effortlessly. The entire system works in perfect harmony, ensuring maximum efficiency for heavy-duty tasks. The Hockey Pilka 2x2 Auto is designed for top-tier performance in wood processing. Handling logs of up to 25 centimeters in diameter, its automated system optimizes efficiency, allowing operators to achieve excellent results with minimal effort. This is precision at its finest, perfect for professionals looking for seamless, reliable performance. Adding a sturdier brace and a compact hydraulic cylinder isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement of durability. These enhancements conquer tough knots and distribute pressure evenly, shielding the core mechanics while extending the machine's lifespan. A small change, but a massive leap in efficiency. A 125 cubic centimeter motorcycle engine, powering a chainsaw that can tackle logs up to 80 centimeters in diameter. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's real. The only catch is that it's missing a blade guard. But guess what? If it ever gets loose, it won't hurt the operator. It's an unexpected blend of power and safety. When you need to get the job done fast and right, this electric wood chipper is your best bet. It handles the toughest logs with ease, cutting down your processing time significantly. Whether you're preparing firewood or tackling a big project, this tool will make sure your workflow stays smooth and efficient.
Тому всім, кому неохота колоти дрова вручну,
The integration of both a saw and a powerful splitting mechanism makes this firewood splitter an efficient machine. However, the saw blade poses a significant safety risk, and operators should take extreme care to prevent injuries. Proper training and protective gear are essential when working with such equipment. I once saw a loader equipped with a wood-splitting head. It could measure the wood size and then split it into perfect sections, almost like slicing bread. The control, every piece of wood was split just right. It was a machine that truly changed the way work was done, one log at a time. The sight of the 511 wood splitter and its wedge box is nothing short of impressive. The blade design is brilliant, effortlessly slicing through large, stubborn logs. It's like having a powerful ally in the field. No more struggling with heavy logs. This machine will save your back every time. The VHK130 wood splitter is engineered for maximum efficiency and durability. With its advanced hydraulic system, it delivers consistent, high-powered splitting force, cutting through hardwoods with precision. Ideal for professionals, it offers a perfect blend of power and safety, ensuring top-notch performance in every log it tackles. Looking for a tool that combines strength with style? This chainsaw, designed in the Czech Republic, has everything. It's compact, easy to use, and ready to take on any challenge. Whether you're trimming trees or working on a new project, this beauty delivers results with power and precision. Ready to give it a try? This 4 kilowatt electric-powered wood splitter is a beast of efficiency. With a 12 cc pump and robust cylinder action, it's designed for precision and strength. No more struggling with cumbersome setups. This machine is built to handle it all effortlessly. This compact firewood splitter may look small, but don't be fooled by its size. It packs a punch. With incredible power, it effortlessly slices through even the toughest logs, producing perfectly split firewood. Small but mighty, it's the perfect tool for every log at any time. Ready for a game changer? A tree stump drill mounted to your tractor could be the secret to clearing your land faster than you ever imagined. With models reaching depths of up to 950 millimeters, you'll see how effortless stump removal can be. It's not just about work, it's about doing it smarter, not harder. The saw's design is undeniably striking, yet the motor seems underwhelming for the size of the blade. To unlock its full cutting potential, the power-to-size ratio of the motor and blade must be finely tuned. Boosting the motor's power could be the key to achieving peak performance. When you think of durability and efficiency, think of the Bortin wood splitter. It's built to handle the toughest logs, delivering unmatched strength and reliability with every split. This beast of a machine is the game changer for those who demand nothing but the best. The evolution of homemade firewood splitters is nothing short of impressive. These devices are a blend of practical design and continuous innovation. Born out of the need to ease physical strain, each modification enhances their efficiency and usability, turning a basic tool into an ergonomic powerhouse. Leveraging an 11.5 horsepower engine from a lawnmower, this custom firewood splitter embodies both strength and efficiency. The careful restoration ensures peak performance, offering a fast, reliable solution for all your firewood needs. This design reflects deep understanding and mastery of machinery. When you see a chainsaw built this thoughtfully, it's clear that simplicity and practicality can still outperform expensive alternatives. By opting for a custom bar instead of an extended model, the design achieves both functionality and affordability. This is engineering at its finest. The GT10 wood splitter is a game changer, pushing the limits of efficiency and precision. It's built to take on the toughest logs and cut through them effortlessly. You'll feel the power the moment you engage it. If you need speed, durability, and cutting-edge performance, this is the tool for you. The administrative journey into the world of homemade machines has to pause here. Leave your comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe to catch the exciting content coming next.